went to the gym and I'm on my way home now. I have to get ready because I have a client today. I was originally going to have a really long day today because I had not a color correction, but it was like a really long color process plus a keratin treatment on top of that. So it was going to be like a 5-hour appointment after this first client. So she ended up canceling, and I ended up honestly just blocking off the time because I didn't really take time off for myself during the holidays. And I really wanted to, but it was just way too busy, especially with like the new salon and stuff. So I am taking advantage of the fact that someone canceled and I only have one client, and then I have to go get my car serviced and stuff. So basically you guys are just going to be following me around for the day. The lighting is so much better right here. I just pulled into my driveway, so I have the lighting on my house to light me up, but I forgot to bring my camera, so that's why I'm filming on my iPhone, and that's why the quality isn't that great. But we're gonna switch to my camera next, but I'm gonna go feed the dogs and all that stuff, get them situated, wake them up because it's still super early. I'm so ready for the sun to come out. I hate whenever it's super dark out because it makes me even more tired, to be honest with you guys. But yeah, that's what I have for you guys. So if you're interested on following me around, seeing what I eat, all that good stuff, then let's go ahead and get started in today's video. All right, so my stomach is hurting pretty bad, so I don't want to eat anything like too heavy or like protein shake or anything like that. So I'm actually just gonna make myself some Dave's Killer Bread plain awesome bagels. I'm just gonna make one of these, toast it, and put some peanut butter on it just because I want something light. But for a drink today, I am super sore because I did a really good shoulder workout the other day, and obviously just for recovery in general, I'm going to take these BCAAs all day today. This is the Extend Original BCAAs, and I actually have to get some more because I'm like barely scraping by right now. Everything on the bottom is pretty much like I'm just having to scrape it out and like break it up because right now it's just kind of stuck together. But I am wanting to go either to GNC or Vitamin Shop and get some more because I want to try this new flavor. It's like those red, white, and blue popsicles, and apparently it's like the best flavor ever, and I really like these BCAAs. And I just have my Tessa Forever shaker cup. Shout out to my future sister-in-law. So I'm gonna go ahead, shake this up, kind of sip on it this morning, and then I'll fill up another one before I go to work. But yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna make this bagel. My stomach hurts so bad. I don't know why. I think it's because I drank coffee before I went to the gym, but it was 5:30. Like, no way I'm not gonna drink any type of caffeine. So I finally sat down to eat my bagels. I'm gonna go ahead and do that while I get myself ready. I'm just gonna fast forward through this whole thing because I do not have time. I have like less than an hour until I have to go meet my client. So you guys are just gonna see this whole thing sped up. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm back, and obviously I look a lot different than I did in my last clip. I had to shut my camera off because it was dead, and I was too lazy to go change the battery pack, and I just didn't have time. Like, I was in such a rush leaving, but I'm actually like a couple minutes away from the salon right now, just waiting at a stoplight, and I'm gonna go and just finish this keratin treatment real quick and then go get my car serviced. So my locks stopped working, or actually just my lock on my driver's side door, and it still locks, but I have to use my key. So for a long time I always wondered why when I got to my car my door wasn't locked, and I didn't realize that like it was unlocked for like many nights in a row, which thank God no one broke into my car. But I think it's called the door lock actuator or something, and luckily it's still under warranty. I have like a 100,000 mile warranty, and it's supposed to be covered, so I'm hoping that it is. If it isn't, I'm definitely not getting it done. for a long time because it's like $2,000 to fix. And I don't feel like spending $2,000 on getting my driver's side door lock to work. Definitely want that like done out of the way. And I also have to get an inspection if nothing else because my tags are expired. So yeah, going to the salon now, all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys. Probably just a sped up version of what I'm doing on my client with the keratin treatment. You guys like to see me in the salon, which like is so, I love it just because I work there all the time. So it's fun. So I just got to the salon. As you guys can see, this is my station right here, which I just love so much. It's so cute. And this is the outfit that I'm wearing. I wanted to show you guys in case you're curious, but this jacket right here is from a boutique called Shop Murph. I don't think they have it because I got it last winter, so it's probably like gone by now, but I do know that a lot of different boutiques, if I find one that's similar, I'll try and link it down below. But I have this little leopard print short sleeve dress, and I like it because I can like pile on jackets on top of it if I want to in the winter time, or I can just wear it just short sleeve in the summertime as well, or if I get hot in here I can take off my jacket. And then I have my Gucci belt that I got for Christmas. I'm so obsessed with it, I can't stop wearing it. And then I just have these little shiny leather Spanx leggings. But I'm gonna go ahead and just set up a couple of things for my client when she walks in, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Up that keratin as you guys saw, and I am now currently on the way to the dealership. Not excited, but I do have my laptop and obviously my camera, so I can do a lot of editing and stuff. So I'm gonna get some things done, hopefully get a video uploaded tonight is what I'm hoping. But I will check in with you guys later because I'm literally just gonna sit there and be bored. I do have a protein bar. This is the Power Crunch in the shade Red Velvet, and the flavor Red Velvet. So this is like one of my favorite ones, and it doesn't have that many carbs. It only has 11 grams of carbs and 13 grams of protein and 13 grams of fat. So I honestly really like this one. It's like kind of like the little wafers. It's like a wafery type of texture, so it's not bad. But yeah, I'm gonna eat that and finish drinking some of my BCAAs that I have. So I will see you guys in a little while once I'm done with the dealership. Hi, honey. Hi. Hi, honey. I got 2 PR packages in the mail today. I don't hardly get PR anymore because like the less you post on YouTube, brands really start to notice that. But Benefit sent me the Brow Arch Outlaws Search, and their reward is $50,000. So basically it's a contest that you have to do one of those brow looks, but they sent me a bunch of different brow stuff. If you guys haven't noticed, Benefit actually has all of my favorite brow products. Like the Goof Proof Brow Pencil is really good. Ka-Brow is absolutely amazing. 24-hour brow setter is what I have on my brows right now. Gimme Brow is amazing as well. I mean, honestly, every single, Precisely My Brow Pencil, all their stuff is amazing. So every time I get PR from them, I'm like, oh, thank you, Jesus, because it's my favorite brow stuff. So excited. And their Their eyebrow brush is honestly really, really good. I don't know why that's not focusing, but y'all get the point. And then I got my favorite product from Urban Decay. So cute. This says Legends Never Fade. Obviously, it is their makeup setting spray. It is the best setting spray in the entire world. I don't care what anybody says. This is the setting spray that I use on all my brides, on myself every day, on anybody and everybody. This is the best setting spray I could ever recommend. It's so worth it, but I've never actually tried their face primer long wear foundation grip. Ooh, it preps, smooths, and perfects. I've never tried that. Have any of you guys tried this? I've also never tried their all-nighter mattifying weightless setting powder. Ooh. Is this new? Oh yes, say hello to 2 new ways to get your all-nighter fix and keep your makeup approved. Oh, so the new things are the all-nighter face primer. I knew it because I've never seen that. And the all-nighter ultra matte long last, Bruce just farted. All-nighter ultra matte setting spray. Says mattify any look instantly for up to 16 hours. Bye-bye, shine. That's so cute. Love that. Urban Decay is my freaking fave. The girls at PR there are amazing. Shout out to Monica. I love you so much. They're awesome, you guys. But that's basically the 2. Oh, also, I ended up getting this Dermalogica Overnight Clearing Gel. Pretty expensive, but I'm really excited to see if it works because y'all can see I have some hormonal acne coming in, which means your girl is about to have her period. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Super expensive, super small, but I love Dermalogical stuff and I trust their things. Their daily microfoliant is my favorite thing in the world. So that's pretty much what I have to show you guys that's like cool related, and now I'm actually gonna get dinner somewhat prepared. I'm gonna prep it. So I just got some chicken breasts from not Harris Teeter, too expensive. Chicken breasts from Food Lion. And then I have some Kikkoman less sodium teriyaki sauce, and I'm just going to pour some teriyaki sauce in a bag with the chicken, let it marinate for, I don't know, a couple hours. It's only 4 o'clock, so Christian will probably be home in an hour, and we will eat in like 2 hours. And then I have some vegetables. These are oven roasters is what they're called, and I got sheet pan vegetables, which are red potatoes and onions for Christian. And then I got Brussels sprouts and carrots. I love Brussels sprouts. I don't know what it is, but I've never had Brussels sprouts until I think this past year. And I can't get enough of them. I love them so much. Okay, that's all. I'm gonna clean. I'm gonna change into some comfortable clothes, probably get this makeup off so I can do a mask and then put this on my face. And yeah, that's what I have for you guys. Super not exciting, but all right, you guys, so it's time to make a dinner, and I have my chicken that's been marinating for about 3 hours, and I have my Brussels sprouts and carrots in here, and I'm actually making Christian's potatoes inside the mini oven because I don't want the mixture of the smells and taste and stuff because he doesn't like Brussels sprouts. So I'm gonna make him these potatoes that you guys saw in the bag, and I'm actually putting the everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend on it just to give a little bit more flavor because he really likes flavor stuff. But the main thing I wanted to tell you guys about is this grill pan right here. I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's from this brand right here if you guys want to screenshot that. But I personally don't like chicken that's not cooked on the grill. I just feel like it tastes way too dry and just it's just not good. So I'm going to cook this chicken right here on that grill pan. All you have to do is heat it as high as you can, like as hot as you can. Wait for the pan to get really hot as if you would with the grill, and just slap them on there and then put them over. And sometimes I'll put this lid on it just to suck some of the moisture in, and like once I get like the grill look or the grill effect on both sides of the chicken, just to keep some of the moisture in and help cook the insides of it. These are very thin little strips, so I try and do those instead of big chunks of chicken, just so they cook nice and even throughout the whole thing, and the outside doesn't get like overcooked and the inside not cooked at all, you know. So that's what I'm making for dinner, but I'll show you guys the process once I have the chicken on the actual pan, and I'll show you guys the after. So one big tip that I could give you guys while you're cooking the chicken is take it out of the bag one by one rather than like pouring the bag out onto the pan. So that's what my little chickens look like right now, because I've done that before where I pour the whole pan on there for like extra flavor, and honestly the flavoring and the sauce just gets really like thick and gooey on the pan and it gets really gross. So I definitely wouldn't recommend that because it starts like burning the pan and then it like tastes burnt on the chicken. It's just not good. So whatever you guys do, literally pull out the chicken one by one. That's the current situation. So I just finished cooking the chicken. Obviously that's my plate and that's Christian's plate. I need to serve the vegetables still, but I wanted to tell you guys another little tip. I'm just full of tips here, you guys, but if your chicken starts to kind of burn too much on the outside and it's not cooked enough on the inside, I literally grabbed a small little pan like this. It's like a little egg pan. I threw all my chickens in there, all my breast in there, and then I just covered it with that lid like I was saying. And it honestly, you just put it on low, like low to medium, and it'll lock in all the moisture and make it super juicy. It's so freaking good, especially with that teriyaki seasoning. It's amazing. But this is basically what my Brussels sprouts and carrots look like. I'm so excited. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with Brussels sprouts, but I am. And then this is what Christian's potatoes and onions look like. Super good. I made him try them and he says they're pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and serve them as soon as Christian gets out of the shower. I have my little baby right here, my other little baby right here. All right, so we are all finished and ready to eat. You hype?
Yes.